In this session, we are discussing how to insert a new node as the starting node of a linked list. That means the node which is going to be inserted will be the first node of the linked list. So, how we can do that one? So, you see here we have written this algorithm. The name of the algorithm is very purposeful. Algo linked list insert first, and it is taking two parameters as input. One is the start, that is the starting address of the linked list. Another one is the new info, so which will be the new info of the new node. So, new node is equal to get node. Get node is a function. This function will return a starting address of a memory block which has got allocated for the new node which is going to be inserted as the first node to this linked list. So, new node is equal to get node. So, get node is nothing but a function which will return the starting address of a memory block of a new node. So, here this new node is getting updated with that particular memory block's starting address. New node info is equal to new info. So, that means the parameter whatever we have passed as a second parameter, so that has got updated, that is going to update this particular new node info. So, the new node info is now ready with the new info, and it is ready to get prepended at the beginning of the existing linked list starting from start. So, new node next is equal to start, and start is equal to new node. So, if I want to explain this one, let us go for this particular diagram. So, here you see we are having one linked list and its starting node is getting pointed by this start. So, now let us suppose this is a new node. This is a new node which is getting created by get node. So, it is known as new node. Let me trace this particular algorithm. So, new node is equal to get node. So, new node is now pointing to a free node. Okay. New node info, new node implies info is equal to new info. So, now it has got new info. Okay. New node implies next is equal to start. So, now it will be pointing to the node which is now pointed by this start. Now, start is equal to new node. So, this link will not be existing. So, start will be equal to new node. So, you see it is nothing but just we are doing some link field updations. So, start will be pointing to this particular node, and this node will be pointing to this particular node, and rest of the nodes I did not update anything. So, in this way this node has got inserted as the first node of the linked list. So, whenever such question will come, please try to draw the respective diagram and get the logic and write the code accordingly. Thanks for watching this video.